Hey loves, I am back and today we're going to be doing a black smoky eye. Currently I am priming my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color tan. So I'm just going to apply that to get my base ready. So we're going to go in with some really dark colors. My first I'm actually doing a look like this. We're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette for today's look. I'm currently going in with a transition shade, so I'm just trying to, I'm sorry, I'm just trying to go in and just get my crease ready and prepped, because I want it to be a nice smooth blend towards the end. I just really want it to be really blended, and I feel like adding a transition shade, even though we're going in with black, really does help. So yeah, we're going to do that, and just getting it all over the lid and trying to even get it in places where I'm going to put the black just so it's, not splotchy and it blends very smoothly. So I'm just going to deepen that up. Deepen the brown or your transition to your liking. I wanted mine pretty dark since I was going with a pretty dark shade and I wanted to really be noticed within the look because at the end it came out great. I was pretty scared of trying to do this look because I don't think I do pretty good with dark colors or colors period. So just something stepping out of my comfort zone. So yeah. So if you see me keep looking over, I was trying to record a Facebook video and this at the same time. So I was doing one on my phone and one right here. So that's why I'm just like all over the place. So I do apologize. But we're just going to go straight in with that black color. This is the black shade out of the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I will say this is an awesome black to do a black smoky eye. It is consistent. It's not splotchy. It is a little hard to blend, as you can probably tell. Like, your girl was like blending, I feel like, forever. So I kind of did something different on the other eye as far as how, I laid the eyeshadow down. I mean, this was my first time, so honestly, I didn't know how to go in with this look. So yeah, look a little crazy now, but she's going to come out in the end. We're going to be good and slayed. So yeah, we're just going to blend her out. And as you can tell, I went in on this other eye a little differently than I did on the first eye. And again, it's just because I didn't know really how, what the best way was to do this black look. So yeah, so that's two different ways that you can apply the black and do a smoky. You can either take it in as a transition first and then do your black lid, or you can go straight with your black lid and blend upward, whatever you're more comfortable with. Either way, it came out great because as you can see, I still went back in with a little of the black to blend it out into that brown. And that's why I originally laid the brown down. It wasn't for it to really show, it's for it to help blend that black out because I knew black was going to be pretty hard to blend. So currently I'm just wiping all the fallout from under my eyes because you will have a black eye. If not, and I'm just sharpening my edges. I did, you see I'm wiping on the inner side of my eye. I kind of messed up when I did that and I shouldn't have did that. And it made it look crazy right there. But good, you can't really tell in my pictures or in this video at least. And good, I didn't go nowhere in this look because, honey, that inner corner was killing me. But yeah, so I just kept going in, building that black up, trying to get it real black and dark. I didn't want it to look gray. I didn't want it to look thin. I want it to be black. So that's just currently what I'm doing right now. Just dipping up that black lid to make sure I'm not losing the color when I blend out. Because with this look, you do have to consistently blend a lot. So you'll see me throughout the video just going back to touching up my transition or my lid. And that's just because I didn't want to lose my color. But overall, I do like how the look came out. So I'm just cleaning it up currently, girl. So yeah, she's halfway there. You see how cute she is? I was scared at first, y'all. But just go back and perfect it to your liking. Get your blending to what you like it to be. If you like that harsh, then keep it that way. If not, if you like me, do that. So we're currently going in. I just did some luminous like primer to give me a little glow. I'm going in with my foundation. I do believe for this look I used the NYX liquid foundation. I'm not sure. I will list everything below though. But I'm just going over my whole face. Of course, put on my foundation as normal. Going back and blend it in with my little beauty sponge. Y'all see how black my eyes look right now? Right now, and that's just because that black shadow. That's what I'm saying. Make sure you wipe it good, cause girl. So I'm gonna highlight with the tape. Listen to me, the tape. Tarte Shape Tape, color tan under my eyes, and I really built it up. I feel like this time, cause I knew I had that black fallout. So yeah, and we're just doing this part as normal, and we're gonna bake her, cause honey. This look is a slave look. You can't come halfway with the face with your eyes looking like this. So we go set the under eye and let it bake a little bit. We're going to do a nice thin bake. In the meantime, we're going to go in with some creamy um, concealer, I guess you can say, for our contour. I've really been loving cream contour here lately. It just look more natural, just look more like my skin, and it doesn't make me look too cakey when I go in with a lot of powder. So yeah, blending her out, going back to the eyes, fixing her up, as you can see. And then we're going to take our whatever setting powder that you're using, just take that to sculpt out your contour. I've actually been loving this look here lately. Learned it from my bigger YouTubers, but we'll go into depth on another video about that. But we just go add some lashes in your mascara, dust that powder away, hunty. So she's sharp, she's clean, she's cute. Miss that face, boo, because it's all about the eyes today. We're not going to talk a lot about the face, but I will let you know I'm going to do like a pretty nude lip. So that should be coming up like now. What you doing, girl? Ooh, you cute. Okay, boom, highlighter, Juvia's Place, Nubia. Go get you some. Ulta is where I got mines. And then we're gonna go ahead and do that brow light. As y'all can tell by now, I am feeling myself. I am feeling cute. Can't tell me nothing. I'm all up in my phone. So yes, we're going to wipe the lips, line it with Max Cork. Y'all know what's up. And then we're gonna go in with, I actually did Honey Love by MAC on the lips. And yeah, girl, there she is. She's cute. She's ready. Add you some glitter. That's very optional, as you can see. I did this very last minute, but she's there. Like, share, and subscribe, and see you later. Thank you. Mwah.